Today we're gonna unbox the What the Fours. This one was kind of interesting. I buy shoes because I like them, because I know I'm gonna wear them, but I know a lot of people were saying they're gonna wait till they went on sale, went to the outlet stores, and it looks like there's a lot of pairs still left out there. But I wanted to get a pair, and I was actually curious about maybe what they look like if I did a little custom on them. I haven't done that yet. Actually, I haven't even opened them yet, because I want to do it in front of you all, so you guys could kind of take a look and get an up close look at the shoe and the details. You know how I do. Still in the packaging.
Finish him.
Wow. For some reason, I just like these boxes. Cement gray. I don't know. They're just cool. It looks like these came with Italian leather paper as well. These are actually dope. So the first shoe looks like we've got a shoelace bag. Doesn't have a Jumpman or anything on it. Black laces in there. I actually saw somebody with the black laces in theirs. I'm definitely doing the shoelace swap with the black laces. Red on the inside of the tongue, but then you've got white on the liner. But the one thing that I was really excited about with these is the leather. The leather on these are, I mean, just awesome. Well, I'll get into that in a minute, but you got the cement gray on the back, Nike Air. Second shoe, got the Nike Air tag. You've got blue on the inside of this, but then you've got red on the liner. The other one has red on the tongue, behind the tongue, and then white. And then you've got the blue with Nike Air on the back. I don't know if you can see it because how I have my light, and I'll do some close-up shots at the end to kind of give you a better idea of what it looks like. But the leather on these are awesome. It's that soft, tumbled leather. I'm gonna be pretty excited about wearing these. Looks like they come just with the white shoelaces that are in there, and then the one extra pair of black laces. I know these are gonna end up being probably one of my favorite pairs of Jordans just because how soft this leather is. I have wide feet and I have a hard time with some of the Jordans, especially the Jordan 1s. But whenever they put that soft tumbled leather on the Jordan 1s, it really works out for me. I've got the Bread 4s. Those aren't a problem because they're suede, but they creased so easy. I'm curious to see how these actually crease. I don't walk around by scooting my feet.
Came in this clear, private leer. I keep cheese, cottage here.
I mean, I actually shoot photos and videos in my shoes, and so I'm kind of curious how these are gonna hold up during some of my shoots. But plus the fact that these are, I mean, a lot of it's white, which had me actually contemplating on if I should probably do some customizing on these and put some matte black somewhere on here, maybe some red, and then also hide some of that white. Because I'm gonna get them dirty just taking them out of the box. But yeah, I'm glad I got them. I didn't buy them to resell them. I bought them to actually wear them. If anybody has any questions about these, drop a comment below. Or if you have any ideas of customizing them, let me know. I'd be curious what your thoughts are, or what you think What the Fours should have looked like. As always, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell for post notifications to let you know every time I post a new video. Yeah. I think that's it. Here we are. I always feel like at the end of these videos, it's like you're on a date. It's like a first date, and you don't know if you're supposed to like hug or who calls who, and there's just that awkwardness. It's kind of like how these videos kind of end. Like we're just here together, and neither one of us knows what to do.